Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I want to take y'all along my day with me. I have a couple things planned for today. I really want to go to the fair again. I went to the fair 2 days ago with my boyfriend and I didn't film it, which I should have. It's currently 11:02 in the morning and I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. My cleaning video should have gone up exactly like 2 minutes ago, so go watch that shit. But if you notice something, I'm wearing the same shirt as in my last video because I literally fell asleep right after editing that video. I filmed that video and then I immediately started editing it, and I edited it for like a good 2.5 hours, 3 hours I think. So I fell asleep. I literally did not go to sleep until like 3 in the morning. Y'all, she wants to get on the fucking hammer. Like this one right here. Yeah, fucking right. I'm crazy, but I'm not that fucking crazy. I do kind of want to keep reading right now because I really have nothing better to do right now, honestly. I'm currently reading The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and y'all, I'm not like, I like reading, but sometimes it's very hard for me to like stay focused on a book for a long amount of time. And this book is really freaking good. Like, I got through like fucking 10 chapters in like one sitting because it was just really good. From Courtney Diaz, which is like her first husband. Sounds like a sip. Okay, y'all, I just washed my face and brushed my teeth, and I'm gonna put on some moisturizer because my face is feeling really freaking dry and dehydrated right now. So how have y'all been? I hope y'all been good. It's literally been a day since I've uploaded. I feel like I've been uploading kind of consistently. I feel like I've been uploading kind of consistently, so I'm kind of proud of that. I have my mirror right here. Y'all, I need to get a new mirror. I've had this shit for so many years and it's so tiny. And I just need like a bigger mirror for my makeup. I do have like a whole vanity mirror. I'd be like the only person who, even though they have a vanity mirror for their makeup, they don't use the vanity mirror. Like this shit is literally only for pictures. Like I need like my own mirror, like right next to me, right in front of me, that I can use. For my moisturizer, I use a La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte Moisturizer for oily combination skin. Y'all, my bone like right here has been hurting and I don't know why. It like started hurting last night, so I'm really confused. And then I also started cramping really bad last night. I don't know what's going on. I'm not even supposed to go on my period yet, so I'm also just gonna put on some deodorant right now just so that I'm not stinking. Y'all know when like little hairs from like your clothes get on it? That shit is so annoying. Like it looks gross. I use that little Dove coconut one. Y'all, I have a whole playlist video already filmed. It's like a 45-minute video unedited, but I'm not sure if you guys would want to see that video. I've had it sitting in my camera roll for like, I want to say like a couple days now. Y'all, I took a lot of freaking time on this video. Like, come on now, don't play with me. So if y'all want to go show some support, why not? You know what I mean? Like that would be kind of nice of y'all, I guess. Ew, why do I look slanted? I almost just fell off my fucking chair. Oh, I just got my food. My mom brought me some chicken nuggets with some fries. If you don't eat here McDonald's fries with ranch, I literally don't know what to fucking tell you. Get a grip, like come on. I'm just trying to eat this real quick while I drink my water, and then I'm gonna watch another Cinderella story meanwhile. And after I do this, I'm gonna take a quick little 10-minute break, and then I'm gonna go hop in the shower so that I have time to get ready later. Hey y'all. Bruh. Hey y'all, I just got out the shower. I had to use that freaking plastic bag because I don't want to wet my hair to cover my hair because I don't have a freaking shower cap. So that's what that was. I think I'm gonna actually start getting ready and change it to my shirt that I'm gonna wear because I'm fucking hot in this. Okay y'all, it is currently 2:57 p.m. I was gonna walk y'all step by step through my makeup, but I feel like y'all have already seen my makeup routine like so many times and nothing new has changed. So I'm just gonna do my makeup, speed it up a little bit. Okay. Little tip for y'all, if you guys want to make sure that your lashes stay up a little longer, use a lighter and heat up your lash curler, but just make sure that when you put it to your eye, you've given it like a little second to calm down, because if you do it right away, you will burn your eyelid and that shit is gonna hurt like really freaking bad. Okay, y'all, I completely changed my entire outfit and everything. I put my hair up in a little ponytail because it's way too hot to have my hair down. It's too frizzy and I don't want to deal with that. So instead of wearing the pink shirt that I was going to wear, I'm wearing this little compression white and gray Under Armour gray and black long sleeve compression shirt type of thing that my boyfriend got me. And Nike socks and some pink Crocs that my boyfriend also got me. So now we wait for them to tell us that we're ready to go, and until then I'm just gonna sit here and watch the movie that I've been watching this whole time while I've been getting ready. So I'll come back to y'all when I'm there.
You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't.
Okay, y'all, good morning. It is currently, not even good morning, it's literally 3 p.m. It's 2:46. And I started my period. Very mixed feelings about that. I don't know how to feel about that. Low-key kind of good, because I was a little scared last night that I was, you know, but we're good. I know I look so crazy right now, but I've literally just been laying in bed this whole day because I've not been feeling well because of my period. So I've just been I've been trying to lay down and cool it a little bit. I'm not really gonna film much today because I'm going over to my best friend's house, my bestie Adriana's house, and we're gonna go film a couple little videos. She might go to the beach tomorrow, so I might also have to do a couple little beach packing stuff, but I'm not sure because my family's indecisive as fuck, so I really don't know yet. I just left Camilla's house, my little boogie butt, but I didn't end up filming anything because I just wasn't in the mood to film, honestly, because I got my period and I feel very down right now. And then also she was editing a video for her channel, so her channel's coming up. If she already has her video up by the time that this video is up, I'll put the link down below if y'all want to see that. I literally do not be doing what I'm doing and driving on my phone. Let me actually record when I get home because this shit is not okay. Hold on, let me tell y'all what has happened in the time that I have not recorded for y'all. Went to a whole fucking job interview. Look how bad my dog scratched me up. Can y'all see that? I look like I have a fucking infection or something. I might look kind of blurry and I don't know what to do about it. I've been trying to apply to this place that my sister and my aunt works at. So they did the hookup, they did the thing, and they got me an interview. Tell me what, they called me. I have been waiting for their call all freaking week, bro. They literally told me they were gonna call me Monday, and then they didn't. So I was just like, all right, I guess like they just don't want to hire me. I don't know. And you know, I'm not thinking nothing of today. It's fucking Friday. All of a sudden I get a call, can you come in at 6? And I was like, okay, yeah, I can come in at 6. So I'm laying in my bed, I'm like, okay, I'll get up at this hour to start getting ready. Tell me why my aunt calls me at 3:50 talking about, oh, they're asking if you can come in at 4:15. I'm like, bro, they're gonna expect me there at 4:15 on the dot. I'm laying in bed with my fucking crusty ass just laying there watching fucking YouTube. Like, what the fuck? Long story short though, a bitch got the job, you know me. But basically, since it's at a restaurant, I have to get non-slip resistant shoes, or slip resistant shoes. I have to get those. I already have a pair, but the ones that I've had for literally like 4 years. 16, 17, 3, my bad. I've had for 3 years. If I can find them to show y'all how fucking like ugly they are. They're literally, y'all, look how fucking like, can y'all even see how ripped they are? And then they're not even that good no more. Like, they fit me kind of uncomfortable. These are the fucking Grandmanators 3000 or something, bro. Yes, they're Skechers. Play with your grandma, don't play with me. I really have to like do this because my information is like all over the place. But I got these. I just went to Adriana's, so I just edited some videos with her. She actually just recorded her first video, so she just wanted a little help editing it and that type of stuff. So I was just there kind of showing her what to do, like what I know how to do. I was trying to teach her like what I know how to do, so I was showing her that. And now I'm back in my room, back in my bag. Fuck. Okay, I'm looking into getting a camera, but they're so fucking expensive. They're so fucking pricey. But the 2 cameras that I've been looking at are the Canon G7 Mark II and the Sony ZV-1, the black one. Y'all, look at this fucking price. Let's be so fucking for real right now. Right now, I think I'm actually just gonna lay in my bed and start editing the beginning of this video for y'all, just to kind of start speeding up the process a bit. Hey y'all, I'm about to leave to go put in the papers, but I just want to show y'all the fit really quick. So I'm wearing this little pink t-shirt that I stole out of my sister's closet. I'm wearing my gray leggings and then that are flared, and then with some pink Crocs. I'm like all pinked out. I love it. Be right back, puppy. Anyway, y'all. So it is hot as a motherfucker. Hey y'all, I just got here. I fucking found parking. Thank fucking God, because I literally, there was only parking. There was one parallel spot, like right next to where I'm about to go right now to my job. But I literally cannot parallel park for shit. And I was not about to do that in front of so many fucking cars. I would have done it, but there were so many cars behind me and I was not looking to embarrass myself today. So I'm not gonna do that. But I just got here. We're about to go get these papers in. And then after, I might decide to go somewhere to get a little drink or a little snack or something like that. Okay, y'all. I am out and I am done with the paperwork. But now I'm about to go to Starbucks and get some little free starbies. But I also have to get the manager one and my aunt one because they ordered me to get them some. So I guess I'm a fucking Uber driver now. I parked heads first and I hate it. I shouldn't have done that because I literally cannot see if there's fucking cars coming. And if I crash, I'm gonna literally cry. Like I literally it's not even funny. I literally cannot see anything. So I'm just gonna record this and hopefully everything's fine, y'all, because I'll literally cry. Oh my God, these fucking dumbass drivers, bro. I'm literally backing up and you're gonna get in my fucking way. Like, bro, come the fuck on, bro. It's okay. We made it out. It's fine. Holy fucking shit. That shit was ass. I fucking hate y'all. I hate when I'm like reversing and a fucking car just comes. Like, bro, you don't see me reversing, bro? Like, I'm literally like halfway out the spot and they're literally just gonna fucking go right by me. Of course it's a fucking man too. Y'all, look at all the freaking drinks I need to take. But I did get mine at least. I got my Venti Pink drink with vanilla sweetened cold foam that I always get. Y'all, I'm finally back in the fucking car. That shit took so long, but here we go. I got like the berry one, which is like strawberries, blueberries. I don't even like blueberries. I was gonna tell them to take the blueberries off, like when I was taking the order, like to tell them no blueberries, but they were stressed as fuck. So I was like, let me not tell them to do nothing right now. Just looks like this. Fuck, that should look good as hell. So I'm just gonna eat it here because honestly, I don't really want to go home right now. So we're just gonna eat it. Bro, but that just takes so long. My fucking drink like melted. Like, I'm like, how am I gonna cut this? How the fuck? Y'all see this? What the fuck?
Bruh.